Celebrity MasterChef fans didn't hide their disappointment when Apple App was eliminated from Friday's show. The rapper, singer and record producer faced a mixed response as parts of his dish was praised for his dishes by judges John and Gregg Wallace, but as the competition is now heating up, the pair faced a tough call over who to eliminate. The chefs explained they'd sought advice from celebrity guests John Partridge, Judy Love and Melanie Block to help them with their decision. As they revealed the rapper would be leaving, some fans took to social media to express their outrage. Twitter user @MadelineMaist4 penned, "And so it wasn't to be for APL, who I really liked. He was so happy. #Celebrity MasterChef. Celebrity MasterChef viewers blast unfair cooking challenge at Derek Tubel fumed. The three celeb judges were especially unpleasant tonight. #Celebrity MasterChef. Ellie9691 wrote, #Celebrity MasterChef no. Not App. He showed much better skills than the blonde with the rice fail. Sad to see Apple go. #Celebrity MasterChef, @King_of_Fools shared. @Terragrammatrahad added, "Shame, the dining room especially just weren't familiar with Apple's cuisine, so downrated it." #Celebrity MasterChef. Don't miss. Celebrity MasterChef fans distracted by Michael Preet's appearance. Reaction: Celebrity MasterChef viewers fume as former star makes comeback every year. Latest: Celebrity MasterChef fans label quarter-finalists absolute fraud. Video: @Brackers_ remarked, "Apple was such a left-field booking for #Celebrity MasterChef, but apart from that mad potato thing his food all looks really amazing. Gutted Apple didn't get through, but right decision." #Celebrity MasterChef, @TheVaradashite commented, offering a different perspective. Announcing the news of Apple's elimination, Gregg explained to the hopeful chefs, "We have of course talked to the guests in the dining room, we've got their feedback. We have made a decision." He continued, "The celebrity leaving us is Apple." The 48-year-old struggled to hide his disappointment as he slowly nodded before eventually smiling at his co-stars. "Apple, you have been a joy in this competition," John praised, adding, "Thank you very much, it's been brilliant having you." Speaking to cameras, Apple admitted, "I'm a bit sad, but I'm good. I had a great time. If I can try again, I'll sign up again, you never know." Celebrity MasterChef continues on Tuesday at 8 p.m. on BBC One.
From above.